The second option to create a new patient case is to click on New Case under Patient's menu and select the unique Straumann lab showing up in the list. Then we define our case by selecting Indication, which is, in this case, again, a crown. Then choose the material and the corresponding finalization method, glaze or stained and glazed. Select the tooth color, which we will either detect in shade measurement, or you have already defined with a classic shade measuring guide. Confirm again the lab where you want to send the case. Now you select the tooth position. From here, you can add a patient to this predefined case. If the patient is already existing in your database, type in the name or parts of the name and select the patient, which was already created before. If you need to create a new patient, click on the icon next to the search button and add a new patient ID with first and last name as minimum required information. You can also add specific comments upon your preferences and save. Now you can see the patient name in the patient information field at the top right corner. Before continuing with the case, we also need to define the delivery date, which can be selected at the earliest 7 working days from the date of case creation. If you need your case delivered earlier, please indicate in the comment field before sending the case. Click on Set. The case is now defined with all details, indication, materials, as well as patient ID and delivery date. Now we can jump to Scan Page by clicking the scanner icon.